And really quick, like I was saying yesterday, pretty obvious. I wouldn't say obvious or certain. I just felt like we were gonna gap down and fade just based off the price action going into the close. As you can see, I was pretty much right here. I was swinging the 353s. I'm sorry, the 453 puts. Remember, I had the 455s, the 454s, and the 453s. Looks like right about now we're going down to test 453. Will we keep fading? Will we crack 453 and keep dumping, or will we find some support and bounce? I don't know. But again, that's what stops are for. And there goes the crack of 453. I mean, how far can we fade? Who knows? I'll be looking at this end of day yesterday. I'll be looking at just some levels from yesterday, like pre-market low, pre-market high. Actually, ain't come to the daily. 450 maybe in play. I don't know. We have been ripping. Like I said, in my opinion, it just isn't sustainable. 452 maybe. I mean, basically, I'd be looking at the whole numbers. We continue to fade. All right, so now I'll be looking at 453 like resistance. See if we can open a few candles beneath it though. Preferably on a higher time frame, like a 5 minute or 10 minute. Right about 15 seconds to market open. And we're still around 453. Looks like Apple's trying to bounce. Could be a dead cat bounce though. Looks like they're selling into it. We'll see. There's market open. Yeah, dead cat bounce. They're selling into it. Yeah, dead cat bounce. Tesla's backside. Looking to put in new lows. Spy new low a day. S&P 500 on the lows. We also did see Meta bounce off the open. Usually Meta bounces off the open to the upside. Didn't see that. Still fighting for 453. Market's looking pretty bearish right now. It's still early though. Looks like we cracked 453 for a second there. No, market's looking pretty heavy right now. It's still early though. Usually I see Meta rip right off the open. I'm not seeing that. Looking kind of heavy. I mean, Apple's backside. It's looking like it wants to push up. I don't know. Look at the market's looking pretty heavy. I could close out those 453s right now if I wanted. I mean, if the market does catch a bid, we could gap fill to the upside. It's looking pretty heavy right now, if you ask me. I mean, they're fighting for it, but it looks like they're selling into it. We can hold a 9 EMA. We don't hold a 9 right here. Feel like we might head down. Tesla's ripping. That's about the only thing, Tesla likes to do. It's almost like it's dragging the Qs up. Tesla's actually on the high day. Everything else is looking pretty bearish. Tesla likes to do its own thing though. Tesla put in a new high, 238, 238.50s. As soon as they stop buying that thing, the whole market might drop. Fighting for 453, bro. You don't lie, it's looking pretty heavy. It's like we're about to crack it. 453 has been breached again. Just because we break below it for a second doesn't really mean anything. Want to see a couple candles open below that level. Tesla had a nice little pop off the open. I mean, that's about it though. As soon as they stop buying Tesla and it rolls over, the whole market is about to dump. Looks like that we do have Fed minutes coming out though. That could move the market. Actually, I know it will. The VIX looks like it's cooling down a little bit. It's usually bullish. And usually, I like the long off the pre-market low. Just looking a little heavy right now. Alright, looks like we're going down for the retest. Seeing that push on Meta though, Tesla looks like the only thing kind of holding the market up right now. What? 234 to 241. Apple's on the lows. I don't really like to anticipate. I'm already in the 453s, so I'm just waiting for us to crack it. Apple on the lows. Only thing is the VIX. The VIX is kind of cooling down, but could also mean less volatility to the downside. It looks like they're selling into everything, bro. All these wicks. Wick. Crucial level right here, bro. Major key level 453 on the spot. As soon as they stop buying Tesla, I feel like the market will start dumping. Apple's on near a pre-market low here. It could bounce. That shit just looking heavy, bro. There's 453 cracked. If Tesla starts rolling over right here, the market's gonna dump. New lows. You got Meta trying to hold VWAP. Tesla trying to hold a 9 EMA. Apple near the pre-market low. I mean, if we don't bounce here, we're about to dump, bro. Fresh low on Apple. It's like Tesla. This starting to cool off. I don't know about rolling over yet, but if it does crack the 9, you're heading lower. I'm about to go ahead and close out these contracts.
Order filled.
Ooh, how come I can't even hear that, dog? Hold up, dog. Where's the other position? Let's go ahead and close these out.
Order partially filled. Order partially filled. Order filled.
I could have got a better entry or a better exit. I was just trying to get out while they were still in the money because they could liquidity grab. Looking like 453 is basically acting as resistance right now. If Apple doesn't bounce here near the pre-market low, right here about 190.50s. If we don't bounce here, bro, the market about to dump. You can see 1, 2, 3. Little triple bottom action. I mean, honestly, I'd be done for the day at this point. But what I say, bro, as soon as they stop buying Tesla, the market's gonna start rolling over.